In this Burnout Extra, we're going to tell you about our memberships. And if you haven't seen us before, we are The Burnout Show. We work on old, clapped out vehicles and pretty much anything we can get our hands on to produce more and more automotive content to teach people and also entertain people about the subject of cars. So right here, we're in front of my 52 MG. And like I said, we have memberships that just came out. So we're gonna do a video that explains the different levels of membership and how you can help support us and the channel as we grow.
If you don't know what memberships are, that's okay. Let me just explain them really quick. Basically, it is a paid subscription to our YouTube channel where you'll receive a bunch of perks that we're gonna go over, like Jay said. It's a more direct way for you guys to help us make more and better content.
YouTube likes to reward creators, and so a good portion of that money that you're paying, no matter what level membership you have, goes to us and helps fund the channel. And like I said, YouTube wants to see us grow, and so they reward us in turn. So like I said, no matter what membership you have, you're helping us and we greatly appreciate it.
So we're gonna go over these perks real quick.
Trying to make it as goofy as we possibly could, the different levels of memberships include coupes, crossovers, sport utility vehicles or SUVs, trucks, and 18-wheelers. So each level of car or each size of car, once you kind of get a higher membership, then there's more stuff to do with that car.
So like Jay said, the first base level of these memberships is called the coupes. This one costs 99 cents. When you donate the 99 cents to us, you get access to a membership badge, and there are 6 different levels for how long you have been a member. And then on top of that, you also get access to different emojis to use on our channel and in our comment sections. Whenever we do live streams, you can use them there as well. And then lastly, on top of those two, when you subscribe at the coupes level, you also receive 3 custom wallpapers every single month.
And you bet that those will be on our cars.
So the next level up beyond the coupes is gonna be the crossovers. And this membership is gonna come in at $4.99. Now there are extra perks that are specific to this level, but every level is going to have all of the perks from the previous levels as well. So the crossovers contains the perks for the coupes as well. And when we move on from that, the next level contains the crossovers and coupes perks, and so on and so forth.
So with the crossovers, you get 3 different things, and one of them is connection on social media. So we will follow your account as well as post a picture of your car. So if you have a car of any sort that you would want posted on our Instagram or social media accounts, send it to us and we'll post it for you. On top of that, you actually receive access to more photos that we take on the channel, and you can use those for things like backgrounds or even just have the cool photos of the different cars we have. Also, we do our best to reply to any comment that we get on the YouTube channel itself. However, there is a priority reply list that we have for this level, and so you would get priority response from us as soon as we possibly could.
So after the crossovers, we have the next level, which is sport utility vehicles, and this one is gonna come in at $9.99. Once again, this level contains all the perks from the previous 2, but there are a few specific perks that come with this level. The first one is going to be a discount code for our merchandise. So on our website, we have a merch store where you can get 6 stuff like this Letterman jacket or Jay's Burnout sweatshirt right there, tons of other stuff. We have truly so much stuff on the website. You'll get a discount code that you can use to buy merchandise at a discounted price. Beyond that, you'll also get early access to all of our new videos 1 week early. So you'll get to see everything that we do before anybody else does. And lastly, with this level, we'll give a shout out to every single member of at least this level in 1 video per month and say a direct thank you to you by name.
The second to highest level that we've come up with is called trucks. This is $19.99 a month, and this includes even more on top of everything we've already said. So you get a higher discount on merchandise. You also get a video chat call with us to talk to us about really anything you'd like, or car related, channel related, something of that sort. We also have a gameplay with you, so we will play Mario Kart with you for a certain period of time once a month. We will also send you a holiday card in the holiday season from us to you and or your family. And finally, for the trucks, if you've been a member in the truck level for at least 12 months, every single 12 months, we will actually send you a custom laser engraved item of some sort. An example of this could be a laser engraved piston with our logo on the top. And once again, every 12 months of being a truck member for 12 months, you will receive an item like that.
Now the last level, it goes off the rails a little bit. The last level is called 18 wheelers. We got a big price jump here. It is $99.99 per month.
That's right, $1 less than 100.
But you'll see why in a second. Once again, I would like to remind you that this level does also receive all of the previous benefits, which is a lot of benefits at this point. And then beyond that, immediately upon subscribing to the 18-wheeler membership level, we will write your name on Jay's Jeep in silver Sharpie. Jay's Jeep, if you don't know, is a 2000 Jeep Cherokee, and it is painted all black with truck bed liner. So a silver Sharpie will show up quite nicely on his Jeep. Now this is where it gets crazy. One time, and only one time, this is not recurring, after being a member at the 18-wheeler level for 12 months, we will road trip to you anywhere in the contiguous United States, including Canada and Alaska. We will road trip to you for an episode of Burnout.
Which would be awesome, and who knows what kind of car we will actually end up taking. But it doesn't stop there. We will bring you a t-shirt and a sticker of your choice and give it to you completely free. And we will do an oil change on your vehicle once we are there. So 2 more perks to add on to that list.
Lastly, we'll also bring you a loaf of bread, and you get to choose what type of bread.
So if you want to find out how to support our channel even more than becoming a member on our YouTube channel itself, feel free to visit our website, click on our posts, and view as many videos or shorts as possible. All of those things help grow our channel. And you can even find on our website, there's a way to donate as well.
So if you are interested in donating directly to us instead of going through something like the YouTube membership program, we do have a page on our website where you can find our personal Venmo accounts and also a Burnout Show PayPal account, where, like I said, if you want to just donate directly to us, you can do that there. On top of that though, the website is really awesome. You guys actually should check it out because there's tons of content specific to the website. We have specific pages like the fleet section where it's kind of like a blog post, and you can click on each car and get a long list of things that have happened to that car and just get the full story on each specific vehicle. We also update every single month the schedule of videos that are going to come out that month on our website. So there's a page where you can just go and look and see every video that's coming out this month. And that gives you something to look forward to on the YouTube channel.
So if you don't want to donate money straight to us, that's totally fine too. Supporting our channel is huge for us, and you can do that by watching our videos, visiting our website, and commenting, liking, and subscribing on our YouTube channel. These are all things that will help us grow over time, and you can see our channel get bigger and bigger with each video.
So with that said, make sure you drop a like on this video, and if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe.
Hopefully you found the memberships as funny as we did, because we can't even say them with a straight face without laughing. So thanks for watching. We hope to see you next time, and be sure to check out our content.